Hello, my name is Russel Johnson. I'm an attorney at Diener Law, and I handle injury and workers' comp cases. And today I wanted to talk to you about a scenario that we see very commonly in workers' comp cases, and it's something that is an issue that we've just dealt with very recently. And that's where you have someone who has a bad injury, and they have a workers' comp case, and they have treatment. In this instance, the person had surgery and had recovered from surgery and was ready to go back to work and had been released to do light duty work. And normally what would happen is you go back to your same employer and they'd have some modified work for you to do that's not as strenuous as what you were doing before. But in this instance, the person went back and was fired because he was undocumented. They'd been working under a fake social security number, and so the person basically was no longer getting weekly checks from workers' comp and had no job. And so was sitting at home with no income and was hurt and couldn't work. And so what we were able to do is we got the person back to the doctor, and the doctor evaluated him and decided that he was too injured to work. And so we went to the Industrial Commission and we had a hearing, and the Industrial Commission ultimately ruled that the employer's insurance carrier needed to pay that person the weekly wage checks that he would have been getting going back 6 months and continue paying them going forward for as long as the doctors continue to say that he was out of work. And that's just unfortunately a common scenario we see with a lot of immigrants who are doing some really dangerous jobs and often get very bad injuries. And that's why if you're in that situation, it's really important that you hire an attorney who's experienced representing people who are in similar situations. At Diener Law, all we do is represent immigrants, and so we see a lot of these issues come up again, and we have the experience to be able to handle them.